In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack incoming webhook in 2025, step by step. Setting up a webhook in Slack can seem daunting if you've never done it before, but I'll guide you through the process so you can easily integrate external services with your Slack workspace, sending messages and updates directly to the channels you select. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Slack API applications page. You'll find all the tools you need here to start crafting your webhook. Once you're on the page, look for the option that says Create an App and give it a click. This will be our starting point for setting up your integration. Next, you'll want to select the option that allows you to create your app from scratch. This choice gives you the most flexibility and control over how your webhook functions and interacts with your workspace. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your app. Choose something descriptive so it's easy to remember later. For example, you might pick a name like Test if you're just exploring this feature for the first time. Once you've named your app, the next step is selecting the workspace where you want this app to live. Make sure it's the workspace that will benefit the most from this integration. After choosing your workspace, proceed by clicking on Create App. Now that your app has been created, let's delve into setting up the webhook itself. Start by clicking on Incoming Webhooks in the App Settings menu. You will need to enable this feature, so find the toggle and click it to turn it on. With incoming webhooks enabled, click on Add New Webhook. This action prompts you to select a Slack channel where you'd like the webhook messages to appear. Think about where this information will be most useful. Choosing the right channel can help your team stay informed and organized. After selecting the appropriate channel, click Allow to finalize the integration. This authorization is crucial, as it grants the webhook permission to post to the channel on your behalf. Once done, you'll see an option to copy the webhook URL. Copy this URL and keep it secure, as you'll need it to connect external services that will send data into Slack. Lastly, head over to the Slack channel you chose for your webhook integration and test it out. You can do this by sending a simple test message or connecting an external service to verify everything works as expected. Look out for the messages in the channel to ensure they are posting correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Slack incoming webhook, creating a seamless flow of information from external applications directly to your Slack channels. This tool can be incredibly powerful, enhancing communication and collaboration within your team. If you encounter any issues, double-check each step, ensuring that all settings and authorizations are correctly configured. Happy integrating!